Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Begin by drawing a horizontal baseline about 80 inches long for a standard bed footprint. Place a horizon line across the paper to set eye level and perspective. Mark one vanishing point on that horizon to guide all receding lines. Draw two vertical legs about 12 inches high at the near corners to anchor the frame and perspective. Connect the legs with straight rails toward the vanishing point to form a rectangular platform. On top of the platform, sketch the mattress as a 3.5-inch thick rectangle sitting slightly inset from the rails. Use parallel lines toward the vanishing point to keep the mattress edges consistent. Add a headboard about 36 inches high and a footboard around 18 inches high in perspective. Connect headboard edges with vertical lines that meet the base legs to show attachment. Draw slats or a solid top within the frame to indicate support and structure. Drape a blanket over the mattress so it hangs 1/4 over the footboard to create natural folds. Sketch pillow shapes about 20 inches by 26 inches near the headboard and add light creases for softness. Use cross-contour lines along the mattress to suggest thickness and foam compression under pillows. Shade under the mattress and beneath rails with a 25% darker tone to give depth and weight. Finish with highlights on top edges to suggest light direction and material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.